Comrade Mnangagwa has expressed deep sorrow over the Manyame Bridge traffic tragedy that claimed 17 lives, declaring it a national disaster. He called for urgent reforms in road safety enforcement, vowing to end the reckless driving culture. Zanabana mashoko obrachi address wanu mtukamiri wenyika ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna press statement obrachi wachins condolence message by His Excellency the President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa following the Manyame Bridge traffic accident. I learned with horror and disbelief about the bloody traffic accident which occurred yesterday at Manyame Bridge along the Chitungwiza Highway, at which 17 innocent Zimbabwean lives perished. The crash, which involved a truck and a commuter omnibus, painfully reminds us as a nation of the multiple hazards which continue to stalk our roads, many of which can easily be prevented through responsible driving and effective enforcement of traffic rules. We cannot continue to lose lives in this most horrendous way due to sheer recklessness and persistent gaps in law enforcement on our roads. The modest returns on measures we have relied upon to date to restrain bad conduct by road users or to bloody outcomes must now make way for new and more robust measures which deliver results. Once worked out, these new strong measures must be applied and enforced across the entire gamut of our institutions concerned with the lawful and responsible road use, and should be enforced without fear or favor. Time has now come to raise the stakes against guilty parties. The cost of bad behavior on our roads must simply outweigh whatever bizarre benefits those responsible think they derive from reckless driving. With the Heroes and Defense Forces holidays almost up upon us, I urge all motorists and other road users to conduct themselves in a responsible way so we do not continue to lose more precious lives in this needless way. Together and through a shared sense of responsibility, we will what has now come a bloody traffic jungle on our roads and thoroughfares. Mashoko ari kuda panapa atauya nemutungamiri wenyika achishaya macondolence messages aiwa kune aiwa vatakarasikirwa navo. Pinda comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.